Why, hello everyone, this is Mr. Joe, and today I'm going to show you all about Tutor.com. Tutor.com through the Hempstead Library website is free. I'm going to show you how to get there and how it works. The first thing you want to do is to get to the library's homepage, and that is hempsteadlibrary.info/children's. Make sure to add the S at the end for children's. And once you get to our children's homepage, we're going to go down to the Tutor.com image. Need a hand with homework? We can help. Tutor.com. So you want to click on it. And now we're going to create an account. You're going to want to go ahead and type in your library card number. We'll do so here. And for those that do not have a physical library card, you can get yourself a virtual library card in videos that I posted earlier to our YouTube channel. A virtual library card is very easy to get, and you would just go to our hempsteadlibrary.info website and click on digital card and fill out a form, and you will be receiving a virtual library card number through your email. And with that virtual card number, you will be entering it here. Our next step is to click Submit. And now we're going to enter some information. First name. Enter an email if you like. Create a password. And enter your date of birth. So we're just going to make one up. Click Agree and create account. And here we are. Welcome to Tutor.com, Joe. And you have many options to choose from. The most popular being connecting with a live tutor. And that's right here. Connect with a tutor now. A tutor is available every day from 2 p.m. until 10 p.m. So keep that in mind. We also have prep for the SAT and ACT. Prep for grad school tests. Prep for AP exams. And videos for math and English. Let's start with prep for the SAT, ACT. Just to give you an idea, click right on it and click Prep for the SAT now. And here are your choices. You can go right to practice tests. And they're on your left-hand side. Let's do this one. Official SAT Study Guide Practice Start Test 1. Choose to download the PDF of the exam. You also have the online proctor as well. And here you are, the SAT.